Hello, Mr. Gass. Did the Lynn School Department contact you about the bulldozing of the garden?
Not at all. They suddenly came up with a backhoe, and we're going to take it out one night. I think it was a Thursday night, and they removed the fence. I said, "What are you doing?" And the foreman said, "I think we're removing the garden." So that's when I sent a letter to DPW. There was no communication between Dr. Latham and anybody at school. The last word was in April when the word was, John Ford said, "We're not going to remove the garden," and Latham reiterated that, affirmed that, and that was it. That's why we left everything there. We're going to donate everything to the garden if they kept it. When they heard they were going to remove it, we had to go and rescue our stuff. It's like evicting someone from an apartment and not letting them take their furniture without a legal, without the court order. So that was the story. And once they started removing it, it was brutal. They removed everything that had been built there just about. And the reason was, they said, because they use it for physical exercise. They needed more space. Well, when there were 600 kids, they didn't use that for 10 years. Now there's 500 kids. Why would you need it? And you got a park nearby. It's the most beautiful park around. Why wouldn't you use the park? Walk down the street 100 yards, and you got a park for exercise. So it didn't make sense. I thought there was a ruse that was, and felt very offended by it.
All right. Thank you.